A car! The dangerous bunny car.
Bunny car, well done! You are indeed my greatest invention. Go mess up the city and let them know how powerful I am! Yeah! Sheriff Lake!
Stop! Stop right there! You have to stop right now! You've seriously disrupted the flow of traffic!
Annoying supercars always ruining my plans! You wish! Take this!
What? How come there are so many of them? Oh no! What do I do now? Control center!
Huh? Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Do you need backup?
Yes, there are many bunny cars on the streets. I can use some help.
No problem. Supercars! Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Lake!
Flying ambulance and team!
Armored Fire Truck, Gordy! Supercars, go! Ha-ha!
Bunny cars on the run, causing trouble all around. Police car on his trail, catches villains without fail.
Gotcha!
Bunny cars, 1, 2, 3, hopping up and hopping down. Fire truck saves the day, water cannon sprays away. Got it!
Getting hurt, don't be scared. Ambulance saving the day. Flying up to your side, making your pains go away.
Mission accomplished!
Don't stop, bunny cars! Keep going, yourself!
More and more bunny cars now! Everyone, hurry up! Understood! Watch this!
Bunny cars, a sight to behold. Long, long ears running fast. The drum flies up overhead, spots them then it sweeps away.
Go for it!
Bunny cars, small in size, in the bushes out of sight. Ambulance, flying high, bunny cars nowhere to hide. Bunny cars everywhere, running loud, messing around. Here and there, chasing up, circle them right away.
All done! Nice teamwork!
Yeah! Annoying supercars! I have even more powerful inventions! Just you wait!
The real and fake sprinklers.
La 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 la.
Hey! Good morning! Grandpa Grove, watering the flowers again?
Right. This is my job after all.
You carry on with your work. I'm going to patrol.
I'll see you around later, Sheriff Lake.
Huh? When did Grandpa Grove get in front of me? Hey, Grandpa Grove! Huh? Grandpa Grove is so strange! What's going on?
My bubble sprinkler is so powerful! See what you supercars are gonna do this time!
Sheriff Lake, what happened?
Please contact Grandpa Grove and tell him to stop blowing bubbles.
Timmy, check out what's going on.
Huh? Why are there two Grandpa Groves?
Did you call me?
Looks like the bubble-blowing sprinkler is fake. We need to catch it now! Supercars!
Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Lake!
Flying ambulance and team!
Spiral Sprinkler Grove! Supercars go!
Bubbles are everywhere, cars spinning here and there. Everyone should drive with care.
Ouch!
Don't worry, I am here. I'll wash them all away. Pitter patter, pitter pat.
Ambulance, fly and fly. Getting hurt, don't you cry. Wee woo, I'm on the way.
Thank you!
Bubble car, please don't run. I'll use my radar. I'll find you wherever you are.
Stop! Don't move!
Fire at full power!
Ah! Oh no, my radar is broken!
No problem! I'll help you find Bubble Car!
I'll clean up the bubbles.
Fly and fly, fly and fly. Turning left and turning right. Bubble car is under the tree.
Huh? How it's going?
Fly and fly, fly and fly. Turning left and turning right. Bubbles are right before my eyes.
The sprinkler sprays and sprays. Water cannon rotates, keeping all the big bubbles away. Bubble car, don't run away. Chase, chase, and I will chase. I will aim and catch you today. Mission accomplished.
I'll let you off this time!
Since you like blowing bubbles so much, why not wash our cars?
Super Couriers!
I'm so bored. What can we do for fun?
Friends, let's go do something big!
Huh?
What do you mean by big?
I've got an idea.
What are we supposed to do?
Do you see that big truck? He's a supercar.
I see it.
He's delivering packages!
Right. If we also deliver packages, we can become supercars! Go!
Whoa!
Shh!
Huh?
Thank you, Ben. No problem. It's my pleasure.
Okay, let's go.
Huh? Why do I feel like my belly is empty?
Let me take a look. Oh no! Your packages are gone!
What? Barry, Timmy, something went wrong!
Ben, stay calm. What happened?
All of the packages inside me suddenly disappeared. I hope you can help me find them.
No problem. Supercars!
Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform!
Jumbo truck, Ben!
Ultra radar police car, Lake!
Jumping taxi, Nina!
Supercars, go!
Super Couriers, fast and accurate. Passing through the street, through the big forest. Climbing this mountain, we'll be there real fast.
Oops, it seems like we dropped a few.
No worries!
Beep, 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 radar is on. Search the street for what's missing. I found one and I found two.
Customers who keep looking. Hop and jump and hop and jump. Searching for what's gone missing. I found one and I found two. Customers who keep looking. Super Couriers, fast and accurate. The farm and orchard, those deliveries done. Where shall we go next? The amusement park.
Oh dear, this isn't mine!
Beep, 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 radar is on. Let's search all across the farm. A delivery has gone wrong.
This is for the orchard. Hop and jump and hop and jump. Let's search around the orchard. A delivery has gone wrong. This one is for the farm. Super Couriers, busy and tired. How many packages? Too many to count. It's getting dark real soon. We want to go home. I don't want to deliver anymore.
What about the remaining packages?
Leave them to us!
Beep, 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 delivering. Hop and jump, delivering.
Puff and puff
Delivering. Send it all before nightfall.
Why did you take my packages?
We want to help everyone by delivering packages like you.
Okay, but delivering packages is not easy.
Sorry.
There are many packages to deliver tomorrow. I need some help. Would you like to come?
Huh? Sure! Forest rescue operation.
Smells so good.
I declare the Toot Toot Car Force picnic party starts now!
Yay! Oh no! There's a fire!
All right, the fire is out. Huh? What's the sound?
Not afraid of any danger. The fearless fire truck Gordy is here. Huh. I heard that there was a fire. And I smelled smoke.
Don't worry, Gordy. I've already addressed the issue. You can go now.
Well, I don't know.
Hurry up! Please go!
All right. Huh? Oh no! Control center!
Gordy, what's happening?
There's a forest fire. I need the help of the supercars.
No problem. Supercars!
Get ready!
Mission received. Supercars, transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Lane!
Flying ambulance and jeep.
Armored Fire Truck, Gordy! Supercars, go!
Fire.
Fire.
It is burning, burning, burning.
Burning.
Lots of danger, danger, danger.
Danger.
To the rescue, rescue, rescue.
Rescue.
Speeding forward. Sound the alarm and turn the radar on. Beep, beep, beep.
Put out the fire, water cannon go boom. Wow, where are the toot-toot cars?
I think I see them. Oh, someone help! Oh, someone help! Oh, someone help!
Don't be scared, we are here.
What's going on?
It's only Toot Toot's fault. He wanted to have a barbecue.
But you guys took part too.
Huh. Well, now is not the time to argue. Come with us now.
Smoke, smoke, smoke. Everywhere. Lost, lost, lost. Lost the way. Trees, trees. Keep on falling. Rescue, rescue, rescue. We need rescue. Wings spreading wide. I'm here by your side. Let me help you.
It doesn't hurt anymore.
Turn on the radar and find the right way. I show the way. I take aim, I spray and I spray, put out the fire.
Oh, now we're safe. Oh, now we're safe. Oh, now we're safe.
We've been saved.
I'm sorry for causing you guys so much trouble.
Huh. Luckily, we got the fire under control in time and there wasn't too much damage.
Never play with fire again.
Yes, we get it.
Sorry.